Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discover the latest trends in washroom designs with our comprehensive guide. In this video, we will explore innovative ideas to transform your washroom into a stylish and functional space. From modern minimalistic aesthetics to luxurious spa-inspired retreats, we will cover a range of design styles to suit every taste. Learn about the latest in fixtures, tiles, lighting, and storage solutions that will elevate your washroom experience. Whether you're planning a full renovation or looking for a simple upgrades, this video has everything you need to create a washroom that is both beautiful and practical. Don't miss out on these expert tips and inspiration for your next home improvement project. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.